guys, what's up? It's your boy named Yakov Karni. So today we're gonna talk about a topic about Nike Dunks. That's right. It's basically like Nike Air Jordan, but it's like basically like a mini, very small shoe of Nike. So I waited 1 week to get the shoe, and I got it from Goat. And you guys can see the boxes it's on, and I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to show you my review, my details about it, and what do I like about it, and why you guys should get it, and what is the benefit of it. So I'm excited. Let's open it. All right. Go like this so you guys can see. So very professional that you can actually open it. Man of the truth. Let's see how it actually looks. I'm excited. Thank you, Nike, for giving us papers. We have enough paper in our life. But inside the box is the Nike box. So let's go. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside the boxes. So inside the box, it said that the sign of this is Nike. And it's sick. I like Nike. Nike's amazing. Came out in the 80s. And wow, Gold gave me this. So he also got me that. And whoa, look at this. This is my shoe, bro. This is my baby, bro. This is my panda. Panda. It's so cool. Make sure it's real. It's real. You guys can see that. It's made from China. Everything's made from China. And wow, look at that panda. That looks so fresh. Look at that. That's like freaking fresh. Fresh from my mama. Come on, that's fucking fresh. Same thing. Nike, beautiful. Wow, Panda. I love Panda. This is my favorite now. Like, this is actually amazing. I'm very impressed what Nike did to actually make this shoe. Now, my review of it is that I'm gonna give this shoes. You know what? I'm gonna give this a 5-star review. I like this Nike. I really like it. I really do. And Nike, I'm happy that you guys made shoes like this. You should definitely in the future make shoes like this because it's amazing. And it only costs $112, and it's like very kind of cheap if you're looking for shoes like this. And if you guys like the video and if you enjoy it and you're enjoying the how I unbox it and I show you some details what I like about it, and so I hope you guys like the video. So subscribe.